Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. I know you guys must be wondering where I've disappeared, and now seeing me like this, little chubby roly-poly, you must be thinking she's gone on a nice holiday and eaten lots of food and put on weight. Well, that's not true. I was down with COVID, dealing with the after complications of COVID on steroids. But finally I'm back and I'm looking forward to cooking again and showing you all some amazing recipes. So now let's make a lovely traditional breakfast recipe from Karnataka, which is the Akki Roti. Akki Roti is made using different ingredients. Some use onions, some use cucumbers. I'm going to use cucumbers to make the Akki Roti. Here I have a medium cucumber that I have peeled and grated. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of semolina, which is rava, 3 finely chopped green chilies, a teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Some salt to taste, and finely chopped fresh coriander. Let's mix this. Let's add little water to this, about 1/2 cup, not much. And let's keep this batter to rest for 5 minutes. I want the suji to absorb all the water so that the Akki Roti doesn't become too hard. I've kept a pan to heat here. I'm going to take a handful of this batter and I'm going to pat it on the pan and just spread the batter evenly. I'm not going to pat this mixture too thick or too thin. Let's drizzle some coconut oil and cover this and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on one side. I'm going to keep the flame to a medium low. So while the Akki Roti is getting cooked, I'm going to show you how to make a simple ginger chutney. For that, I'm going to take 1 cup of fresh coconut which I've grated, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped coriander. Let's add a cherry size tamarind to this, a teaspoon of ginger paste, or you can use 1/2 inch of chopped ginger. I'm taking 2 green chilies here. You can take as per your liking. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, some salt to taste, and I'm just going to grind this. Just add a little water. And our ginger chutney is ready as well. Let's flip this. Drizzle a little bit of coconut oil. Now after 3 minutes, our Akki Roti is ready. Let's flip it and check if it's done. Yes, it's looking beautiful. Let's remove it in a serving platter. And repeat the same process for the remaining batter. Let's serve the chutney as well. And our simple breakfast of Akki Roti and ginger chutney is ready to be served. You saw how simple this recipe is and extremely delicious. Do try this. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.